Hey my ghostly peeps, it's me, Ghoulish Gamer here, and today I just came to say that school is starting for me. This is the last day of summer, so tomorrow will be the first start of school unless this goes up a day late. So yeah, on August 19th, yeah, don't need to say the 2015 part. Gosh, I have the hiccups. Jeez. Okay, yeah, but yeah, I will not be able to upload on the weekdays. Usually I'll only be able to upload on the, sorry if there's echo. I won't be able to upload on the weekdays most of the time, but, I'll be able to upload on most of the time Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, unless I'm, like, grounded or something. But, yeah, that's basically all I came to say. Unless there's breaks, then I'll be able to upload more often. But for like the first 3 weeks or something, or I don't know when I'll get a camera back or when I'll find the other one. There won't be any gameplay videos, so I'll probably only be like doing vlogs, maybe a room tour. When we hit 10,000 subscribers, I might do a room tour. So gosh, my hiccups. So yeah, that's all I came to say. Sorry if you hear breathing and smacking in the background. That's my brother, the dark gamer, I'm thinking of my friend, the dark wrestler. Right, he copied off of my friend a little bit. But yeah, that's all I came to say today. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a great school. Well, yes. I hope you have a great school day and your first school day or whatever. And I had a great summer, the longest time I made videos for you guys. I enjoyed it. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. That was a terrible outro, but bye. I will see you guys later.